Hey everyone, this is Summer from Alibaba Cloud Database Product Team. It's glad to see you all here again right before the Chinese Lunar New Year festival. I'm wondering how many of you know the zodiac sign of 2021 in Chinese culture? Yep, just like what I have shown on my screen, 2021 is the year of the ox. And let me tell you one more thing. In tradition, families always get together to celebrate New Year. But there are always people they cannot make it happen for some reasons, especially this time. No matter it's because of work, epidemic, or other reasons. And no matter where you are, I wish you all a prosperous New Year. Well, last week, my colleague AK gave a quite impressive demo of Mongo migration from AWS EC2 hosted self-built Mongo to Alibaba Cloud ApsaraDB for MongoDB. No surprise, I will continue to introduce more upon this topic, but I will change to a different database engine this time. And obviously, we'll stick on this for a while. So if you are interested in database migration, just make sure you don't miss any piece. Okay, today we'll introduce Redis migration and we will start from the very beginning. I mean from environment preparing. Here is the ECS running CentOS 8.2 and it's going to be the underlying of self-built Redis 5.0. Now, let's log on to the ECS and use yarn to install our Redis server. Copy the IP address. And yarn install Redis. It's done now. Let's do some configurations. etc redis.conf. To change the password. Yeah, here. Find the required path and let's set the default password to Redis at 1234. And then let's check the default port. Is it 6379? Let's check. Yes, it's 6379. Okay, save. And restart the service. Restart Redis and see the status. It's running now. Okay, let's also see the port listening. Should be 6379. Yes, Redis server is listening now. Now let's try to connect to the database. Use Redis client local host 739 67 auth Redis. Then do some queries. Okay, it's empty now. Right now, we have already installed Redis by hand. Then let's insert some data. As we all know that there are 5 different types of data for Redis. So I think we can generate all these kind of data for testing. What do you think? Let's do it. First, string. Let's create string type, set, key as summer, value as Alibaba Cloud. Alibaba Cloud, okay. And get summer. Yeah, it's done. And the second type, list. Let's create a list named comments for posts. 1. I like it. Imagine that this is a list to store your comments for your tweets, maybe on Twitter, right? Okay, I'll push. Let's do it again. I like it very much. Then so much. Then another girl. I love it, right? I love it. I disagree. And last one. OMG. Okay. Right now we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 comments now. And next, third type, hash. Let's create a hash to store the attributes of our car. Zset car, first attribute, brand Tesla. Zset car, owner set to kite. And Zset car, how about color red. Okay, this is done. And the fourth type, set. Let's create a set to store all the fences. Add fence. First fence, Lee. And the second, Max. Third, Ken and Jack. Okay, we have 4 values. And the last one, zset. Let's create a zset ranks to store all the scores. Yo-yo and 82 Vivian and about 59 Ava, 93 Rose. Okay, then do some simple queries. We have already got value for key summer. It's a string type, right? Then let's do the rest. Query for the list L range. This is a list name key from 0 to 10. Okay, we missed the E. Range. And let's do another simple query for hash get all. This is a key to store all the characters of our card, right? Do it. Yeah, this is all the key values. And how about the set and zset? As members, fans. Okay, this is the fans we got. And the last one, the range. This is the ranks from 0 to 100. Okay, this is all the values. And I will also introduce keys for testing, but not for production environment. Okay. Here we can see we have 5 keys. Or you can use scan as alternative. Scan 0, count 100. Also, we can get all the keys we have now. As I shown, we have 5 keys in 5 different data types. And we are gonna move this database to the ApsaraDB for Redis on Alibaba Cloud soon. If you want to do migration, no matter where your current Redis is running on-premise or on AWS or any other cloud, you just can follow me.